right, even as Aneri continues to get us the latest, we are playing out these pictures. Allu Arjun's team that has already arrived at Sandhya Theatre is what we are picking up. And there is a likely possibility that Allu Arjun will be brought by the police shortly to Sandhya Theatre to recreate what had happened on the night of 4th December. Some very pointed questions that the police has posed to Allu Arjun. And even in the notice that was sent to the actor by the cops, they had mentioned that there was a possibility that he would be taken to Sandhya Theatre. And it seems likely, given the fact that his team is already present at the site. Aneri, continue talking to us. What can happen in the next few hours?
Well, Suesha, definitely a lot of things which have been going on. On one side, we see that how Allu Arjun is being questioned by the police officials right now at the Chikatpalli police station. On the other side, we also see, as we have, we are playing the visuals from Sandhya Theatre, where we see that the team of Allu Arjun has already arrived at Sandhya Theatre there, because that is one place that is the scene of offence where the woman had lost her life, and also at the same time the notice which was served to Allu Arjun yesterday by the police officials mentions that if necessary, then he would be taken to the scene of offence. And also at the same time, we have been seeing that there could be a possibility, based on the questioning which is going on at the Chikatpalli police station. Based on that, the police officials would further decide on if Allu Arjun needs to be taken to the Sandhya Theatre for the scene recreation or not. But yes, as of now, a lot of developments that have been taking place. On one side, we have been seeing that how the deceased woman Revati was brought out of the Sandhya Theatre on the 4th of December at around 9:15 p.m. But Allu Arjun was seen coming out of the theatre at around 11 p.m. So definitely a 2 hours gap. A lot of things might have happened on the 4th of December, where we see that has brought to light. And also at the same time, now in that regard only, we have been seeing that the questioning of Allu Arjun is going on. So definitely a lot of questions as to does Allu Arjun have knowledge about the incident that had taken place? When did he get to know? Why didn't he inform, he or his team basically inform about his arrival at the Sandhya Theatre? A lot of questions which needs to be answered by the actor right now, as the grilling of actor Allu Arjun is underway. He is there inside the Chikatpalli police station. We'll just try and get you the visuals once again from the Chikatpalli police station. As you can see, the security, the police officials and the security has been beefed up already. There is barricading which has been put up across the police station, because huge crowd has gathered here outside. There are a lot of fans who have gathered outside the police station, as actor is already inside. It's been almost 2.5 hours that the actor Allu Arjun had arrived here at around 11 a.m. Just now it's almost 1:30. So we have been seeing that it's been almost 2.5 hours that actor Allu Arjun is being inside the police station. So questioning began later around 12, later around noon. So we'll have to see how long that will go on for. And also at the same time, we have been seeing that there could be a possibility, well, we are yet to get any sort of confirmation that will Allu Arjun be taken to Sandhya Theatre or not. But yes, but right now he is undergoing questioning at the Chikatpalli police station, which has been done by the top officials, including the ACP who is questioning Allu Arjun here at the Chikatpalli police station.
Absolutely, and continue talking to us, as we'll also stay with those pictures, because that quite tells the story of what transpired on the night of 4th December, how the crowd forced its way in while the police and the theatre management tried to control them, but they literally barged inside the theatre. And details coming in, Aneri, if you could confirm that the deceased, Revati, her body was taken out at around 9 p.m. Because she had fallen unconscious. Whereas more details of how Allu Arjun continued to remain in the theatre. The police is claiming that they had informed him about Revati's situation, but he said that he will not come out unless the film gets over. Clearly, the pictures indicating how the cops were struggling to ensure that there is some order with the crowd, but they were failing to do so because the crowd clearly overpowered them. Aneri.
Well, Suesha, a lot of questions that needs to be answered by Allu Arjun right now, as there is a lot of anticipation which is going on among the people as well, because we have been seeing that how in the CCTV which we have accessed very clearly shows is seen that how deceased Revati, who fell unconscious inside the theatre, and later she was brought out by some of the people there. The timing, if you can see on the CCTV, where it is seen that Revati was brought out of the theatre at around 9:15 that night on the 4th of December, and she had fell unconscious inside the theatre, and that was confirmed by Revati's husband as well, that he was outside the theatre and Revati was inside the theatre, and after which her phone was not reachable. So that means Revati fell unconscious inside the theatre, and as you can see in the CCTV also, how she is being brought out of the theatre by some of the people there. And
right, Aneri, I request you to stay on with me as we enlarge these pictures, we enlarge the CCTV footage to put it on the big screen to show our viewers what had happened. So this is the first CCTV footage that Republic has been able to access. Here you see how the crowd was barging its way in. They literally forced their way through, and here there were a few cops, the theatre management, they are holding this lathi, they are holding the stick to be able to tell people to create some sort of a queue, have some sort of order, but that did not happen because the crowd just forced its way in and went inside the theatre. Let's shift our focus to the second CCTV footage that Republic has been able to access, where you see, and as per our sources, we are learning that this was around 9 p.m. That is exactly what Aneri also told us, that Revati, the deceased, unfortunately, her husband had confirmed that this happened around 9 p.m. She was unconscious. She was taken outside the theatre by some people around her. They realized she was unconscious and they took her out. That is when there was some sort of knowing that a serious consequence has occurred. Revati was unconscious. She was taken out. There you see, we've circled those pictures to have our viewers understand what had happened, and this happened at approximately 9 p.m. Shifting our focus to this set of pictures that Republic has accessed, you see how the crowds just forced their way in. They clearly outnumbered the cops. You see one cop and another one who's holding this stick. This is the theatre management and the cop who tried to control the crowds, who tried telling them that there must be an orderly fashion in which they enter the theatre. But the crowd that not just forced its way in, they barged their way through, they outnumbered the cops, and the situation was uncontrollable by and large because they just went inside forcefully. So all in all, you see all these pictures coming in. Republic has accessed the CCTV footage from the night of 4th of December, exactly what the cops are questioning Allu Arjun on, because they had given prior information that there could be crowds larger than what is expected. That is what the police has maintained so far. And now they're questioning Allu Arjun on whether Allu Arjun was aware of the situation, whether he knew that one person has lost her life. Because the police is also claiming that while they had informed Allu Arjun about the same, he had said that he will only leave from Sandhya Theatre after he watches the complete film. I want to go back to my colleague Aneri, who has been tracking all the developments on the ground. Aneri, our viewers have a fair sense of what happened. And while the police is questioning Allu Arjun, as they had mentioned in that notice that they had sent him, that they may take him to Sandhya Theatre to recreate what had happened. Allu Arjun's team that is already present at Sandhya Theatre. What more are you picking up?
Well, Suesha, definitely a lot of developments that have been going on right now. We are at the Chikatpalli police station, and as you can see, there is security which is already deployed here, and also the same time, we have been seeing that but there's some movement that is happening right now. There's a possibility that Allu Arjun might be coming out in a short while from now is what we are expecting. But yes, as you can see, Allu Arjun is being questioned inside the Chikatpalli police station, and we are seeing that we'll just try and get a. Sorry.
See, I am Padur Srinivas Reddy, advocate, impleaded in Padur Srinivas Reddy, advocate, impleaded in this quash petition. With my efforts, he was been brought today for summoning. For my fight for justice has brought him here. So after court hours, my work complete చేసుకొని ఇప్పుడు వచ్చాను. Yeah, I asked for to join the investigation, but somehow the state police is denying my right. They are coming in between the administration of justice and also between the accused. I have every right. I feel this the government, this constitution and the framework of law has given me as an advocate to see the proceedings. I am not here to disturb them.